Dzień dobry from the cold Bydgoszcz today. We are in Bydgoszcz, it's very cold. I don't know what's happened with the weather, Sayang. You look so cold, again.
My hands like, are very cold, and then when I just come here, oh wow, look at this. Are we in Venice already?
Yeah, many international visitors who coming to Poland and they visiting Bydgoszcz actually comparing Bydgoszcz to Venice, like a little Venice in Poland, because there's the Brda river. This is the proper name actually, the Brda. Difficult. And there is like a canal, river, and there are boats and sometimes kayaking and everything. Actually, a lot of things going on during the summer, but it's spring, it's getting to be rainy, and it's only 6 degrees. I don't know how you copy with this cold actually.
Look, I've got a 3 actually, shirt, and then 1 jacket, and then everything. So yeah.
And your beret?
Yeah. So
Okay, we quickly show around and have a coffee time, yeah? Coffee o'clock, for sure. I will also put my hands into pocket because it's actually pretty cool. And if you ask me why we are in Bydgoszcz today, because I have to service my car in Toyota, obviously. In 2 months I make a 15,000 kilometers, so it's quite a lot. And in Poznań was like a 3 weeks waiting time. In Bydgoszcz it was just next day. So I decided, why not go to Bydgoszcz? I will show Winnie how Bydgoszcz look like, also Paddy and few other my viewers was interested to show the recently Bydgoszcz. So here we are today, and we really have to be quick because if it's gonna start raining, and it looks like it's gonna be raining, we're gonna be in trouble. Okay, let's go. And Sayang, you're gonna hold the camera because I know you making the shots more stable and slower, and you guys like it more because Damian is like, quick, dobra, you see this. Okay, let's go. So you film, show to the people now.
that's different, like Polish people, everything talk fast, walk fast, work fast, everything fast. For me, honey, don't jump.
Okay, let's go that way.
So for me, Balinese, because we are, living in the slow living lifestyle, everything slow. Talk slow.
Right.
Oh, look at this one. Wow.
Nice architecture, isn't it?
Yes, and behind you there are some tourists as well,
yeah,
right?
there's tourists. And this building also, this is like a very, very cool looking, very old German architecture of the post office recently in Poland. It's huge, and also some statues of something. Okay, let's go.
So this is actually the explanation of the place written in Polish, but I don't know which one is the year basically. So this is the small map, and then this I'll show you 360 degree. Kochanie.
Right. This guy, which is this statue over here, he was like a very famous guy who was writing one of the first maps in Poland, and he died in 1772. So 300 years ago, like. He was from Hungary actually originally, but end up here in Poland. I mean, end up is bad word. He was living in Poland and then, love Poland and make maps here. I'm already really freezing. I mean, if I'm from Poland and I'm getting cold, we have to go for coffee quicker. It's also raining, and there is also like an opera over there, this nice building over there. And there is the river, some churches. Okay, let's cross the bridge and let's go to the old market square here in Bydgoszcz.
It's raining, honey.
It's raining,
Let's
I know.
go.
Let's go.
Oh, look at that, the birds. And what I can see that surround us is just about, there are so many nice old building architecture, and also so many constructions around. So I think that this is how they maintain the historical places, and also they keep it up with the brand new building.
What?
This one, look.
What's hang?
Look, Kochanie, hodge.
What?
This one is the man crossing the river. Oh.
Man crossing the river. Right. Cool.
Look at this statue. Very nice.
Looks like little bit like Venice, huh? I don't know.
Right.
You've never been in Venice, but it looks like little bit.
One thing, whenever you walk here, you don't smell the bad smell of the canal or river. But when we were in Berlin, when you walk, actually, it's smelly. But here,
bit, yeah.
there is no plastic rubbish and not smelly.
At least still not like in Jakarta, even in Berlin though.
No.
That's how does it look like here. Now I'm filming, I'm trying to make a slower shots Sayang, what's happened to your hand?
Look, already red. It
Baby,
means like
Put in
very
the
cold.
put in the pocket lah. I will make I'll be a cameraman like always used to be lah. People of YouTube, you guys, like if I'm making too fast shots, I'm so sorry about that, but I will zoom it for the guy crossing the rope like this one. And that's the Bydgoszcz sign, and the flag of Bydgoszcz looks like a Slovakian or Slovenian little bit, but it's Bydgoszcz one. All right, let's go. And also there's Cukiernia Sovala. This is the coffee place, but we have to go to the market square first anyways. And the construction, like we said, they always preserve the old architecture buildings here to make it the best shape as possible. And also worth to show you is this lantern, the city one. Actually looks pretty nice. Okay, first impression, you like it?
Bardzo polecam.
That should be your trademark now.
Wow!
Babe, the construction truck is coming. Let's go somewhere. But a lot of things ongoing here actually. What are you doing? It's cold.
It's very cold.
Babe, no.
Very cold.
No kissing, okay?
It's not blowing a dandelion, but blowing my breath. And look at this one. I think this one is a group of students who is doing like a school field trip. You see, Sema. I told you, Polish people are friendly, you know.
Right.
And then, as usual, you know, there are so many construction, but the thing is that they really keep the historical places to be, you know, like best things to see whenever you come to Bydgoszcz, right? Okay,
Right.
now let's go there. What is there, Kohani? Why are so many people there?
This is nice coffee shop.
Oh, Cukiernia Soba.
That-
This is, I think, one of my favorite coffee shop
And
whenever going to
it's
Poland.
originated from Bydgoszcz actually, by the way. So this is like
cool.
the main shop first. Either way, no paid endorsement. However, if Cukiernia Sowa would like to become our official sponsors, call her.
I will say, wow.
You have warranted that for sure. No doubts about this. All right, we are getting to the. Look at these decorations actually, lah.
Very nice.
Very nice.
Wow.
I don't know what is it, but looks dope, huh?
Yeah. Oh, there is the Rinek, right?
Right.
Katanya?
This is the Rinek. What is Rinek in English, Sam?
A square.
Yeah, market square.
Market
Huh?
square. Oh,
You see,
look
and also
at this.
international people are here.
Yeah.
Not
so
only you are here.
The thing is that Poland now slowly becoming a tourist place. As I see that if you go to Poznań, go to Bydgoszcz, I think that because of Poland is one of the most underrated countries in Europe, so many people who wants to explore the historical places in Europe, they are coming to Poland. If they are already been to Italy, they've been to France, they've been to Germany,
Spain.
for sure, Spain.
So now it's time to Poland. For
You have to
Poland.
come. Bardzo polecam!
And you can feel safe and they have a good coffee. With
You
the
know how many
affordable-
videos that I made it by myself alone? A lot.
A lot.
So walking alone, I feel so safe so far.
And even more to come, right?
Yes.
All
yes.
right, let's go.
Oh, look at that.
That's some sort of war monument. There is the fire behind, actually, as far as I remember, the church in the background. And this is like a market square here in Bydgoszcz in general. Look like this. I'm gonna show you a little bit. 360 degree.
Slower.
Okay, it's slow enough for me, lah. This is like a restaurant Perel, which is like communism after war and before the independence, like a free Perel kind of team restaurant, or at least the name it is. And some other ones, however, is that
Hello.
is closed.
Hi,
Hello.
hi.
So this is the statue of the, actually from the hold of the victims of fascism, which is the, you know what does it mean, from 1939 to 1945. A lot of people in Poland was murdered due to the Nazi people. So
Historical thing again.
Historical
If
thing.
you only read a book about how is the history in Europe, reading a book is just only you can imagine, but come here, feel it, and experience the authentic surrounds you. It is Bardzo Polecam. Highly recommended. So today we also met some of our viewers here.
Right.
Thank you for saying hi. And they said that walking in Poland here is very safe. Exactly true. Like, you know, wherever I go, making a video by myself, like, you know, doing recording, nobody even touch me. That what I feel is just like feeling safe. That's totally correct. And also the price, if you compare with any other European countries, it is very affordable.
All right, some nice restaurants here. Actually, you know, it will be like 27 degrees or something like it was 2 weeks ago over the weekend. It will be lovely, but the rain and everything. So yeah, but this Caramba Spanish restaurant or something looks actually really nice. Must be very busy during the night, like Saturday night or something. Some nice restaurants. And actually this is where we are leaving the old market square. I remember when I was here last time with myself, I used to park the car over there. There is the glass bridge, somewhere there is the parking lot. But there are small streets here. Smell like a pubs, like a bar smell.
Smell of the bread.
Smell of the food in general. There's some breakfast place here or something. That's some sort of thing, and the small. Also, the cars are not allowed here, as you can see. So, an old cobblestone roads like this one. And Ponczek.
Is it Ponczek o'clock?
No, I wanna have a coffee today, sayang. I prefer coffee and Ponczek. Let's sit somewhere. Oh, rainbow. Let's see if it's Bali today.
Where is Bali? Where is Bali? Where is Bali? Come on.
There is not.
Oh, look, they sell Philippine.
Right, but no Bali lah.
You see, there is no Bali. No Bali.
It's okay.
No Bali.
Next time.
Oh, Thailand. See, they sell the Philippines, Thailand, Bangkok. Even they send Ayutthaya.
Yeah,
But no
Ayutthaya.
Bali.
But we've been in Ayutthaya. We make a nice video, guys, there, right?
Check
Rico.
our video in our channel.
And many
So,
things actually. Thailand,
Yes,
Vietnam,
yes,
Singapore, Malaysia,
yes,
Bali, 1,000 video.
Yeah, but here the police travel agency, nobody sell Bali, unfortunately.
Okay. Either way, this is like a little alley, so you can walk around the old market square. You can get there, and there are some tables here. There is the parking lot, and this was this one. Little bit different, same but different, huh?
We go left,
We can
right,
go.
straight.
We actually supposed to come back,
Okay.
but let's have a little walk. Maybe let's go there because there is some construction.
Let's go there because I see that interesting building in the front.
All right,
the
there is
glass
the
or
church.
something. Oh, what is this glass?
That's the parking actually.
Fancy, hey?
Right. And there is also the statues of the king, Polish king there. Let's go.
Oh, okay.
Let's go. Chodź.
And the construction is everywhere, just like this, to make a proper walking path. And on the top there, this is fancy car park. So
Yeah, I used
whenever
to
you
park
come
there.
here, and if you want to look for the car park, this one is the place. And one thing is very clean. I didn't see any plastic rubbish, and also not much graffitis on the wall.
Sometimes, but only
But
sometimes.
not much. It's not the local arts.
Local arts.
I want to confirm that this area is very clean, but look at those people who work. They really maintain the cleanliness here in Bydgoszcz. So thumbs up. And then in front of me over this, what is it? Look like a king.
Well, there is the king. This is not just the king. This is the Kazimierz III Wielki. This is the Król Polski from the 1339 to 1370, and he was the king who established Poznań city in 1346. Very important king in Poland, sayang. And he was looking like a king, like a strong.
How many generation? Let's say we need Damus Junior,
Times 700. No, I'm just joking.
Oh, wow, just
like
joking.
700 years nearly. So actually,
Wow.
like a lot.
Wow.
Nice, isn't it?
Look at the flowers, so beautiful.
Even cold, but flowers already here.
And look at in front of me the building here. Wow, it's totally different architecture. Some of them are brand new one and some of them are old one, but they keep maintaining their style. Wow.
Wow.
Look at this big machine. It's actually, he is gonna open this one and then he's gonna work here. Look at the blue sky. Wow. And right in front of me is basically, I think this is the old tram that is transferred into a restaurant. And in front of me is very nice building. Wow. Okay, so in front of me is the apartment Sova. So basically Cukierna Sova is originally coming from here. So they are really a big brand right now, and even they have their own apartment. And there over there, I think there is another building. You see that the red brick over there. It looks like the church. And we will go there, show you another building over there, and we will have a coffee. So basically that is the sign, you know, if you want to go somewhere, like you go to Stari Rinek or Ratus, you turn right, turn right, turn right. Obviously that one is the center of the tourist spot. Oh wow, look at this car, it's so fancy.
Somebody
right?
have a Lamborghini.
Police people are so rich.
Rich people are everywhere. In Indonesia, there are also some rich people, though.
Okay, let's go there, Kanye.
Let's go that way.
So normally, when it is warmer, you see that all the seats from the restaurant will be displayed outside, and I'll show you around. And look at this one. There are so many restaurants actually here. Look at this nice looking castle. Wow. And then there is a church, if I'm not mistaken. So yeah, very nice. Wow, look at the building behind me. Guys, I just have a thought, something like, if Harry Potter movie gonna be a brand new one, the brand new episode, I really would like to recommend the producer of the Harry Potter series, because of its cold, my mouth is very hard to talk. I would like to recommend the producer and all the movie maker to make the next Harry Potter in Poland, because look, there are so many fancy historical buildings that need more to explore. And look at this. Wow, wow, and wow, and wow, and wow. Oh, look at this mural art.
Yeah, it's actually nice, and it's also meaning of the mural is Bydgoszcz, rzeka możliwości, Bydgoszcz, river of possibilities, opportunities actually. So it's cool. Somebody make a nice job though.
Yeah, so I'll show you around. This one is the car park actually.
Yeah, like
and look at this. This is what I told you. There is a nice old architecture building, but in the front there is a brand new building. So it's not always about old, right, Kohanye?
Right, correct.
Can you hear the sound from the church over there?
I can hear the sound of the church and the battles, because the food truck is on the other side.
Right.
But it's nice. And this is like a theater or something. This is the jazz performance building, like I don't know, also theater or something.
Right.
And there will be the river at the front and some nice green building, the old one.
Yes, let's go.
So generally, I'm gonna tell you that Bydgoszcz is. Sayang, your hand is so cold though. Bydgoszcz in general is really nice. I'm not sure if actually Little Venice is a proper way to compare the cities. However, it's definitely a little bit of the vibe, definitely all the old Europe vibe mixed with the modern little bit. Of course, there is the river, and everything would be looking even way better if it will be just simply warmer and more sunny though, but still very enjoyable to visit, right?
right? So
Right.
if you are visiting Poland, just explore more. Not only Warsaw, Kraków, just explore any other cities.
Also, at the same time, Warsaw and Krakow, they are two the most expensive cities, by the way. So the most popular and the most expensive. And Krakow is only the most popular because it was never destroyed due to the war, and Warsaw was completely actually destroyed, wiped off from the ground, literally. There's nothing really left there, almost. And it's just simply brand new, literally brand new, little bit like kinda Dubai brand new, or Singapore. Singapore actually have an old architecture, but it's just brand new, rebuilt after 80 years. So that's why maybe it's so popular. It's capital city, obviously, but the small towns like Bydgoszcz also cool. There is also some nice museum. Sayang kita yet?
You know, spokoj.
Spoko.
So look at the kids behind. So this is how actually, as a teacher, I used to be a teacher in Bali. This is a very good as the authentic learning experience. You know, take the kids out and take them to really learn from what is it actually in front of them. So bardzo dobrze. This is how the Polish people educate the children. So I think that the education system here is also very good, right? And most of my Indonesian friends who come to Poland, they also study here for master degree or PhD student. So good. It's coffee o'clock. This is one of my favorite coffee shop. You see, it is from 1946 year, and look at the pastries, the cakes, tart looks so yum, and that's also in the display. Look at this. Yum. So it's coffee o'clock. Look at the, oh, looks so good. And there is a place for sitting here, also fancy. Okay, so whenever you come here, look at the sign of this owl, Sova, and I'll show you. It's actually there is a promotion like 19 zloty for coffee and cake, słodkie osłony. And see this place, more and more people coming on the left, on the right side. Kochanie.
Very nice place, right?
You look so chill and enjoying. Okay, let's show our viewer how it's the coffee and cake looks like. Wow. Always big portion.
So that's my coffee and cake. I have with the strawberry and the cream and everything. And Saya, you look so chantik, by the way. So beautiful. You look good with red, you know.
I know. You see, I wear many clothes. This one, jacket, my dress, and it's because of freezing cold. Okay, now it's time to show our viewers our coffee and cake. This looks so fresh and very nice. Like I told you many times, the bread, pastries, cake, tart in Poland, top notch, and the price is very affordable. Look
How
at
much
this one.
all?
Like 19 times 2 equals 38 zloty.
Right, so 19 zloty is like how much? 75k, so
Whatever it is.
$5.
Very affordable. In Bali, you cannot get like these qualities.
Yeah, the quality is
And the
especially
coffee always served with chocolate.
little chocolate.
So good.
Highly recommended.
Bardzo, polecam.
Okay, enjoy.
Right, so this is not paid endorsement or something like that. I just want to share you because sharing is caring. Okay, this is the name of coffee shop, and let's see the menu. And they have a promotion 19 zloty for either this with this or this at this. Ooh, so good. And don't worry that for the food they have also English version. So you don't worry about that. So there are so many nice food here. You know, like this one, salad, you know, so many things, dish. So, and also this one, oh look at this one. I think this one is the best as well, but I already feel cold. I don't want to eat ice cream. Look, so good, so nice. Wow, look at the cake with the ice cream. Ooh la la. And the cappuccino costs like this. It's not that expensive. So yeah, look, they also have like this one. Wow, so that's very nice coffee basically. So now let's have a walk again. Now is the weather change. It's more warmer and it's really a good time to walk and explore more. And look at this. Wow. Are they normally kayaking there, honey?
Yeah.
Oh, nice. Can you swim there inside?
Yeah.
It's too deep?
Too deep, too dangerous. The current is pretty strong actually. You can
I
see even
see.
from here.
Wow.
But it's actually nice. Now it's even better look when the sun is out. You see, this is the weather in Poland, right? Can be
Right.
rain, cold, then it's warm.
And
in
sunshine.
April. But April is like little bit of everything. Can be little
Right.
bit of the summer and little bit of the winter at the same time.
Right.
In one day. Wouldn't be
Exactly.
surprised even snowing today.
So there is no bad weather basically.
It's just
like
the bad
any
clothes.
other people said, only the clothes that you have to wear. You have to, consider again what to wear and wherever you go, because the weather just like change in every second. Honey, get closer. Look at that. That's the bridge actually with the lock heart. So normally people go there and put the lock. You see that the white bridge
Right.
there, and as the symbol of love or something like that, right?
Tak. Very nice actually. And they're already cutting the grass, so that means the spring is actually already, the green stuff is going. Alright. Let's have a look a little bit on the main street, alright?
Yes, let's go there.
Yeah, let's go. And also you cannot cross this bridge by the car, so this is like a walking street bridge actually, something like that. So this is the different shot of the spot where we were actually at the beginning of the day. We're making it over again because it's sunny and it actually looks beautiful, isn't it? Like I said, it's nice.
So this is called Bydgoszcz.
Bydgoszcz. And behind you is the Stary Port sign. I
Let's
don't
go.
know why. Because maybe that was the old harbor actually here. Somehow. Because this long time ago, the boats were coming here, right?
Very nice.
Right. Nice building of the one of the bank in Poland, actually Polish bank, though. But the way how they renovate this one is really cool. It's really nice.
They
isn't
keep
it?
the architectural building as historical as it is. Kochanie, look
Yeah.
at this. This is the historical place, Most Staromiejski from 1902. Look, this is the information.
Right. Looks cool. Well, that's a very important place here in Bydgoszcz.
So whenever you come here, you definitely have to visit this place. Oh, look at the tram. Nice.
So loud, huh?
Wow.
Driving so fast, huh? And this is the Hanover Church, also looking decent on the other side. This is like a main street already. And yeah, so I think that's it for today, huh? Wow!
Okay, wow. So I think that's all our video today from Bydgoszcz. Thanks for watching and see you tomorrow. Bye! Wow.
Wow, that's the modern one.
Oh, different color of the tram here, right?
Right,
I see.
different lah.
So today we have a coffee o'clock. It's not in a coffee shop, but basically we have in a Toyota service, right, Kohanye? And this one is basically the Toyota place. You see there are so many cars and we are coming here to service the car. So always provide the best service. Right, so actually we are in the showroom. There are so many brand new car for the Toyota. And what I can say that this one is totally a different type and mode